Good morning, dear students. How are you again? Today we are going to have a lesson about converting customer units of weight. Today we're going to have customer units of weight. As you know that weight is a measurement of how heavy an object is. The common customer units in the United States, not in Egypt, for measuring weight are ounce, pound, and ton. So the customer units in the United States are ounce, pound, and ton. Okay, units benchmark. I have here for the ounce weight, like this is like examples. Weight of a strawberry, weight of a strawberry. 4 pound, weight of a book. And 4 ton, weight of a giraffe, weight of a giraffe. So I have here, this is examples of the weights. It's donated by OZ, and this is donated by LB, and this is by T. So I have here the conversion of the units. As I told you before, and you know that when we convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, yes Ahmed Rami, I can hear you, we multiply. Yes Khadija, when I convert from a greater unit to a smaller unit, I multiply. Okay, and vice versa, when you convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. So here I have here the conversion table here from ton to pound, and from pound to ounce. From ton to pound, multiply by 2000. From pound to ounce, multiply by 16. Okay, and from ounce to pound, divide by 16. And from pound to ton, I divide by 2000. Okay, so here 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 ton equals 20,000 pounds, right? Do you know that most governments collect taxes based on the weight of transported goods? Truck weigh stations are used for these tax purposes. The weight of a truck falls within the safety guidelines that each state has in place for its road system. Okay, this is a fact. Jude's brother works in a weigh station. An empty truck weighs 18,000 pounds on this scale, but on paper the weight should be written in tons. How many Saja tons does that truck weigh? Okay, I want to convert here from pounds to tons. So what should I do? From pounds, here from pounds, here is pound is greater than or less than in unit. Which unit of measurement is greater here, the pound or the ton? The ton is greater, so the pounds, it's a smaller unit, so the smaller we divide or multiply. Yes Liane, yes, we divide. So I will say 18,000 divided what? Divided 2,000. Why 2,000, miss? Because 1 ton equals 2,000. This is what we do. We divide by 2,000. So 18,000 divided 2,000 will give me 18 divided 2, 9, and all the zeros cancelled here yet with these zeros. And the questions comes like this. Find the equivalent weight. So 500 pounds equals how many tons? Pounds is a unit that is less than, smaller than ton. So here we divide. Divided what? Divided 2000. 2000. So the answer will be 0.25. Here 80 ounces and pound. What should we do now? Here I have the ounces is a unit that is smaller than the pound, and here what should I do when we have here smaller unit? I just divide. Divide by what? Can you remember? Yes, divide by 16. So 80 divided 16 will give me, yes Julie, 5 pounds. Here in this example, 16,000 pounds, I want to convert them into tons. Smaller unit, don't forget to divide. 16,000 divided, yeah, divided 2,000 will give me 8 tons. 3.5 pounds, I want to convert it into ounces. So here this is a greater unit, so I have to multiply. Multiply by what? It's very easy now, by 16, and it will give you 56 ounces. Problem solving. Maya bought 4 pounds and 7 ounces of strawberries from the grocery store. How many ounces of strawberries did she buy? I here want to convert the pounds into ounces, okay, because in the question he asks me about the ounces. So convert 4 pounds into ounces. 4 times 16 will give me, yes Lamar, 64. Then add 7 ounces, okay, 7 plus 64 will give me 71 ounces. So these tables shows us how to convert from tons to pounds. I have here for 1 ton to pound, I will multiply by Abdurrahman 2000. From 4 tons, every time I multiply by 2000, okay. And if I want to convert from pounds to tons, right, to lean, I divide by 2000. Here from pounds to ton, divide 2000 divided 2000, it will give me 1. Saja, 8000 divided 2000 will give you 4. Okay, Karim, here I have pounds and ounces. Pounds, to convert pounds to ounces, you multiply by 16. So 1 times 16, 16. Khadija, 5 times 16, 80. Every time I multiply by 16. If you want to convert from a smaller unit to a bigger unit or greater unit, you just divide by 16. Bravo. Problem solving. Emily's baby sister weighed 8 pounds 2 ounces when she was born. If her weight tripled after 2 years, how many total ounces did Emily's sister weigh after the 2 years? First, I have here, I want to convert the pounds into ounces, okay, to calculate the weight. So I have here 16 times 8 plus 2, the already 2 ounces I have here, and convert 16 times 2 plus 2 will give you 130. 16 times 2, 128, plus 2, 130 ounces. Here I have, she weighted here, tripled times 3, 130 times 3 in 2 years. So she is now 390 ounces. Okay. China was ordering the weight of her toy animals from least to the greatest. Her order was as follows: 2.6 pounds, 2 pound 6 ounces, 3.9 pounds. Is your answer correct? Explain. Okay. So, what do you think? Of course not. because I have here 2 pounds 6 ounces is less than 2.6 pounds. The correct order is 2 pounds 6 ounces, then 2.6 pounds, then 3.9 pounds. Judy or Jude says, in order to carry 4 tons of cement in a truck that can only carry 400 pounds at one time, I need to make 16 trips. What do you think? Do you agree or not? So what should I do now? I want to convert the 4 tons into pounds. So what should I do? I multiply by 2000. 4 times 2000 will give me 8,000. Then these 8,000 pounds divided 400 pounds. I want to know how many times, how many trips. So it will give me, 20. So is that true? He says here 16. So I don't agree with him. It would be 20 trips. Thank you, my dear.